Hey friends! So, welcome to another episode of Senu Craft's miniature tutorial. So guys, today I'm going to create the Doritos Chips miniature version. So, let's start our work now. So, first I'm starting with the materials needed for this craft. First we need a ruler, a rounded tip of pen, your usual using cutter blades, and also we need a binder glue or a Fevicol white glue, scissors, and that's all we need. Make sure that in this craft you never need a styrofoam 1-inch sheet. So guys, now I'm showing you the 3 main flavors I'm going to use in this net. I have used the original flavor and the spicy flavor and the burnout barbecue flavor. So you can choose any of these flavors or all these flavors in making your miniature Doritos packet. So you have to cut off these as usual in my tutorials you have watched in the earlier episodes. Like this you can cut off these nets relevant to its size, and I have given you the right rectangle or the square to that relevant place. So guys, you have to cut these tins off, but I'm not going to cut all of these because it will take so much time. So I'm just cutting off the original flavor and the spicy flavor. So guys, I also want to tell you at the meantime about the CFW. Yes, last week I chose the CFW successfully, and he was the RTS bro. So guys, this week also it's going to be an episode of a CFW today or tomorrow itself. So guys, stay tuned to watch who is the CFW because there are 2 villain competitors this time. So again to my creation guys, on the cut of the Doritos chips, and it will look like this, and like this. Cut these off and make sure that you have an extra space on one of the sides to you that makes it easy to paste your net. So guys, like this, it should be stayed after all, and after you have pasted it should look like this. I have pasted even the lower side of my net with binder glue or Fevicol white glue. So now I'm moving on to do my second pack or the spice flavored pack. So guys, just as that I did on that normal one, you have to fold it like this. So friends, in the outro I will tell you more about the CFWs and about my future proportions. So what do you think about my future proportions? Engage in my poll I have inserted in the above, so you'll be able to answer my poll question. So after you can see this, and you have to insert the ball rounded pen to get the globular shape inside the packet, and then you can do it like this. Sorry guys, because I'm not there at the moment, I apologize for you there. So friends, it should be look like this after you have fixed the lower end of this head. So guys, I have fixed the packet for both of I'm using at the current flavors, and now I'm going to move on the flavors side. And the chips should be printed like this. If you have a rubber printer or a glossy printer, you can get the effect right there on your printer. But unfortunately, I don't have a better printer for printing quality photos, so I use this type of images. So however, you have to print both sides for your picture, or known as this scrap. So guys, now I'm going to remove these from all the old sides, and like this I'm going to take it off, and you can see that the one side of it is blank and the other side is only covered with ink. So guys, you can cover that also with this ink, and this is going to be our chips Doritos. So look at the technique I used to make my chips. So first you have to make regular shapes of rectangles at regular intervals like as shown in this video. So guys, it will take some time, but I'm not taking much time because it's on my YouTube channel. It's a video, it's a tutorial, but you can take even one day lasting. So again, I'm going to fold it to get the better finishing, and likewise you can see it after folding. So now we have to get the triangular effect on the Doritos chips. As you can see on the market, it's all on the rectangular shape. So look at the technique I used to get when I'm using it. Like this, you have to triangle it with your fingers, the thumb and another finger. You can fold it as shown in this video. So sorry for any blur effects cause my camera was not focused at the moment, so I apologize you for that. So like this, you have to go on creating your triangles, and after you have created, you can cut out those triangles with your scissor or your blade, but I prefer using a scissor. Is better than using a cutting blade. It is more safe to use a scissor. So please also comment in this week's COFW video to be a COFW in the future, or in the COFW number 3 video. And back again to the creation, and I think you will be whispering, why did I use to create clay creations what I promised to you in my first tutorial in my Samsung TV. Yes, I will do that in future cause I'm using polymer clay to use that effect, and yet my polymer clay on ship abroad, so you have to wait till the clay starts shipping to my country. So sorry for any delay months of my video publishing cause it was a festive season in my country in these days. So guys, you watch it, you know now how to insert this space to my ruler, and it will do this, and you have to press the top of the Doritos chip packet with the glue or the binder glue Fevicol. And now you have to fill all your make packings with these pins, the chips, and then you can go on. After creating your packet, then you can watch, then till what will happen. From Senu class, and today I created the miniature of how to create the miniature Doritos chip packets from the makers of Mountain Dew and Pepsi. So guys, what do you think about this craft? Is it funny or creative or miniaturist? So guys, I would like to know what do you think about this craft today I made. So comment that also right below the comment section. And also, if you find this video useful for one of your friends or any other relative, share that video also for any of your relatives to any media. So guys, if you like this video, press the like button and also subscribe me. And tomorrow or today, it's going to be an episode of the COFW. So stay tuned to watch who is the winner of the COFW second video. So guys, that's it for today, and I have told everything that I should tell for today, this tutorial. So this is the thing I made this week. So guys, what do you think about this? Comment that also right below. And till next weekend, have a great week. Bye.